What's your name, brother? Brother, what's your name? Your name? Microphone.
Abu.
Abu.
Yes, sir.
Which faith you belong to?
Christian.
You're a Christian.
Yes.
Okay, brother. I would like to know, do you believe that there is one God? Do you believe there is one God?
Yes, I believe that God is one God.
Do you believe that Jesus is a messenger of God or is God? Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. Is he messenger of God or God?
Jesus sent by God.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
Is anybody forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Are you doing out of your own free will?
Are you doing it by yourself?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Now I'll say the same thing in Arabic and you can repeat it. What are the same thing in Arabic? Repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
al sadu
anna
Allah
Muhammadan
Muhammad
abduhu
Abu
wa rasuluhu.
Food.
I bear witness. I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God but Allah
there is no God Allah
and
and
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is a messenger.
and servant of Allah.
It's a messenger Allah.
MashaAllah. You become a Muslim, MashaAllah.
Atekbir! Atekbir! We also have a sister ready to accept Islam. Her name is Blessing.
I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant the person who accepted Islam
Ameen.
Jannat al-Firdaus.
Ameen.
And once you accept Islam, all your previous sins are forgiven. Your previous sins are forgiven. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you Jannat al-Firdaus.